guys, Emma Kamel here, and I'm going to show you guys how to do some deep dances for you guys to learn to like deep. Alright, ready? Forward, backward, forward, backward, forward, backward, forward, backward, out, cross, out, cross, out, cross, out, cross, forward, turn back. Forward, turn back. Forward, turn back. Out, cross, turn out. Now with the other foot. Forward, turn back. Forward, turn back. Forward, turn back. 360 and a quarter. Knee up, knee up, knee up, knee up and cross. And jump. Hands in the air. And that was a routine of leg jump by Amber Jamel. Thanks.